Vive le français! Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I want to teach you a French expression. I hope I didn't tell you this already, maybe I did. Se reposer sur ses lauriers. Les lauriers. So this is not les lauriers, but les lauriers we have. So in the antiquity, you have the emperor. The emperor, he will have a crown of victory. He has some crown of victory, and this crown is made from the tree. This tree is called les lauriers. Les lauriers. Les lauriers is also a tree. I show it to you, but we can keep in the garden. I have one over there. It's too far away to show you. Les lauriers is a tree that you will use for cooking. We take the leaves and you put it in the oven when you cook. So it's a specific tree. Les lauriers. So the emperor will win the victory, or maybe at the time of the antiquity, at the time of the Roman Empire, you had the emperor, or you had the competition, the sport competition, and the victor, the victory, they will give him a crown and they will put on his head. Put on his head. He's like the victor, you know, like they were at the Olympic game, and during this, the number one will have le laurier. It's a little bit okay. That's how it was. Se reposer sur ses lauriers. It means something wins. Someone wins. He wins. He wins the competition. He wins the money. He wins the war. He's a famous emperor. He wins. He's the victor. And then after, he's se reposer. Se reposer means to rest. He sit down in his chair. He's resting. Se reposer sur ses lauriers. Se reposer sur ses lauriers, it means someone who wins, who works very hard. He managed something in his life and then he decided, oh, I don't need to work anymore. I can just rest all my life. There's nothing for me to do. I can just rest. I am the number one. I am the best. C'est moi le premier, c'est moi le plus fort. C'est moi, j'ai gagné. Maintenant, je peux me reposer sur mes lauriers. So, people say il ne faut pas se reposer sur ses lauriers, se reposer sur ses lauriers. So for instance, you can see someone who made money and he say, okay, that's fine, I don't need to work anymore. Now I can. And then il se repose sur ses lauriers. You have to be very careful. If you're doing this, maybe it's going to be okay for you. Maybe it's going to be okay for you, but maybe not. Maybe you will be fine, but maybe you'll find yourself, now I have no more money, now I'm not so strong as I used to be, I'm not the number one, or maybe I'm not so rich as I used to be, or now there's this extra cost happening, or maybe there's this, there's always the unexpected. Everything changes so fast in life, you know. There is a saying, they say, la roque tarpéienne n'est pas loin du Capitole. La roche tarpéienne n'est pas loin du Capitole. I don't know if you know this sentence. Le Capitole is where you had the power. In Roma, you had the Capitol, which is the emperor of the leaders. You know, the place where you had the leaders of the city. And next to it, you had La Roche Tarpéienne. La Roche Tarpéienne is where someone who is a murderer, who did something bad, there is a big rock, and they will push him from the rock, and he will fall and die. You know, so it means even you are at the top, you are just one step away from falling down and losing everything. You know, even you think you are at the top of the power, you have everything, you won everything. Just one step away, maybe you fall down. Okay. Bon, anyway, okay, se reposer sur ses lauriers. Why I'm saying this? Because recently I was thinking, okay, if I go back to France, maybe if I'm very lucky, I could live very cheap, and maybe I don't have to work too much, or maybe I don't have to spend my everyday slave to a job, morning to evening. And then I was thinking this. Then I was thinking, il ne faut pas se reposer sur ses lauriers. I cannot do this. If I do this, after I'm at risk, because the money is very tight. And okay. And that's also my philosophy in life. You know, I'm always doing the videos. Trust me, for me, it's really not easy to do the videos. It's something that I enjoy. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy talking. I enjoy sharing. I enjoy discussing with you. But it's also something that takes me time. It takes me time. and then I have my kid, I have my wife, I have my work, I have my everyday life. I cannot do the sport, I need to do sport, I need to eat healthy, I need to cook. So your time is limited, and because I'm doing the videos, but I'm doing it because I'm always planning. And I say, oh, il faut pas se reposer sur ses lauriers. Il ne faut pas se reposer sur ses lauriers. I need to be sure that I have some other guarantee, and some other guarantee, and some other guarantee. I'm not doing it because yeah, I'm doing it because I enjoy it, but I'm not doing it only because I enjoy it, because you know it's a lot when you add up. Huh? If one day I'm only doing this, that's okay, that's enjoyable. But if you are doing this, and then on, next to your job, next to your family life, next to the sport, next to this, you need to cut down something. You lose some of your freedom. Merci les amis, au revoir.